f of x equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are integers. Given that f naught equals 6, show that d is 6. When f of x is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is minus 6. When f of x is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 12. Find the value of b. Given also that x minus 3 is a factor of f of x, find the value of a and the value of c. Express f of x as a product of linear factors. Okay, so that's the question. Then I've got it all summarized here. F naught equals 6. So f naught then is equal to, well, this will be 0, 0, 0, and it will be d. So that tells us that d equals 6 when we sub it in. Okay. Right, that's part A. Show that d equals 6. Okay, when f of x is divided by, so f of 1 is minus 6, isn't it? F of 1 here by the remainder theorem is equal to minus 6 is equal to ax cubed, so that's a times 1 cubed, plus b times 1 squared, plus c times 1 plus d, which is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus 6. So that tells us then that a plus b plus c, move the 6 over to minus 6, and there's already a minus 6 there, so that's minus 12. Okay, now part 2. When it's divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 12. So f of minus 1 then is equal to 12. And that was equal to ax cubed, minus 1 cubed is a minus, plus bx squared, minus 1 squared is 1, so that's b, plus cx, isn't it? So that's a minus c, plus d is equal to a plus b minus c plus d, which is 6, isn't it? So put that in. So that tells us now then that a plus b minus c, a plus b, or minus a rather, plus b minus c, forgot the minus there, just carried it through, is equal to, move 6 over to minus 6, 12 minus 6 is 6, there's number 2. Okay, if we add them together, 1 plus 2 now, gives, so if we add them, the a's will cancel and the c's will cancel, we'll just get 2b, won't we? So 2b is equal to, minus 12 plus 6 is minus 6, so that tells us b is minus 3. So there's b. Okay, good. So b equals minus 3, d equals 6 so far. Given that x minus 3 is a factor of f of x, so here f of 3 then equals 0, doesn't it? Because it's a factor. So ax cubed is 3 cubed is 27, plus bx squared, 3 squared is 9, plus cx, 3c, plus d equals 0. Now d is 6, so 27a plus 3c is equal to minus d, which is minus 6, move it over the other side, and minus 9b. Minus 9 times b, which is minus 3, which is 27. So here, what have we got then? Divide by, this is equal to 27 minus 6 is 21. Divide by 3. Gives 9a plus c is equal to 7. This is number 3. Okay, so we've got that then. Let's go back up. Find a and c. So we know that 9a plus c is 7, and from this one we know that a plus c, So I'm going to minus a minus c then here is equal to 6, and move the b over to minus b. Minus minus is plus, and this is number, we can put 4 here, can't we? So here we got simultaneous equations, add them, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 gives 8a. These cancel, that's why we're adding them, and 9 and 7 is 16. So it tells us a is 2. And if a is equal to 2, then c, 7 minus 9a, 7 minus 9 twos is 18, minus 11. So there's a, b, c, and d then. Express f of x as a product of linear factors. Okay, so ax cubed, bx squared, cx, and d. So let's write it down, shall we? So it's 2x cubed plus b, which is minus 3, lots of x squared, plus cx minus 11x, plus d, and d was equal to 6, wasn't it? Let's just check that. There it is there, plus 6. And that's equal to, now we know that x minus 3 is a factor, and we can now write, now I'm going to use a, b, and c again here. I've used, well, I'll use capital A plus b, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we know x minus 3 is a factor, we know it's a cubic, so we can divide out the x minus 3. So we need to work out a, b's, and c's. So here, if we equate the x cubes then, 2 on this side, and there's a on that side, isn't there? A, lots of x cubed on that side, so a equals 2. Now equate constants, or x equals 0 to give 6. Is equal to, now the only constant will be this one, minus 3c. That tells us that c is equal to 6 over minus 3 is minus 2. And now what should we do? Equate x squareds or x's? X squareds then. Hardly any difference. So minus 3 on this side is equal to, now there's a bx squareds here, but there's also a minus 3a. So that tells us what b is. Minus 3 plus, I move the 3a over. A is 2, so it's 3 lots of 2, which is 6. 6 take 3 is 3. Okay, so what have we got then? We've got 2x squareds plus 3x minus 2. Okay, that's good. So f of x then is equal to x minus 3. Now factorize this is a 2x, I'll just do it up here if we want, 2x and x. It's going to be a 2 and a 1, has to be. There's a plus 3 here, so 2 and 1. This is a plus, this is a minus. Let's just check that, 2x squared. Plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Minus times plus is a minus, 2 ones are 2. So it's 2x minus 1 and x plus 2. These are the linear factors. Let's just check the question. Yeah, which is what we've done, D. F of x is a product of linear factors.